Welcome to another sword tutorial. Today's tutorial is not about just attack. It is about fear. If you can fear your enemy, then you can take a big advantage of that situation. First, grab that sword just I am grabbing. Your sword must be behind of your one hand, or you can say your active hand, opposite of your active hand. Perform the sword finger. Now, look at the move very carefully. Raise your sword and take it off your front. Now, in that position, you need to rotate your sword and take it between of your two hands and twist. Now watch again. Take it to front, twist, take it between two hands and twist. Now this is a very simple. Practice this move with your both hands. You need to practice this twisting method. When you are done, then you can able to use it. You need to perform this move quickly and fast. Why? I am showing soon. And now, the practical use, or you can say the application. First, twist your sword and then you have to add an attack. Change your sword hand, grab it in that position and strike. You can add any strike in that moment. Scare your enemy and strike. Wait, where are you going? There is an important lesson for you. This technique is very depend which is your active hand, lefty or righty. If you are lefty, then practice it with your right hand. Righty, then practice it with your left hand to create much good result. So this is it. I hope this information will help you in your self defense. Thanks for watching.